So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook photo layout not working, grid and collage troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is verify your photo selection. Feature is disabled for single photo uploads. User must select between 2 and 10 photos. Clicking next activate the choose layout button. Second fix is update the Facebook app. In iOS, open the App Store on your device, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Scroll to find the Facebook app in the list of the update. Tap the update button next to Facebook. In Android, open the Google Play Store, then use the search bar to find Facebook. Select the Facebook app from the search result. Tap the update button to install the latest version. Third fix is log out and log back in. Open your Facebook app, go to menu and scroll to the bottom, tap log out, close the app completely, reopen it and log back in. Fourth fix is clear app cache and data. In Android, navigate to settings on your device, select apps from the menu, find and tap on Facebook. Go to storage option, then choose clear cache to remove temporary files. Select clear data to reset the app's data. In iOS, go to settings on the home screen, select journal, tap iPhone storage, select Facebook from the list. Choose delete app and confirm by tapping delete to install the clear and cache. Reinstall the Facebook app from the App Store. Open Facebook after installation and enter your login details. Fifth fix is check account rollouts. Layout features may be rolled out gradually across accounts. If a feature is missing on your personal account, consider alternative option. Try posting image to a Facebook page or group to check for feature availability. Thanks for watching.